Hello there guys and gals, good morning to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Join me for my not so early breakfast. Just a banana, 3 bananas, good for the stomach. It will cleanse your stomach, the fats that you are eating. And since I'm not eating fat because I'm having my abstinence, this could be my day 34 of not eating meat like pork, chicken, beef. Come on, don't be shy. This is for you. I also have chocolate biscuits. Do you want? I love it. I supposed to cook for today a kind of omelette and some dried fishes, but I don't have yet much more time because I'm gonna repack my dried fishes that my clients ordered. I don't know late this afternoon if I'm gonna eat in fast food with wherein they have fish. You can do it, but for now you still have less than 2 weeks to have your abstinence to make an indulgence with the Lord. Bye.